Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to experience the great hill climb of the Tirumala hills. This is a different kind of video. I have made it a very rugged cuts and made it very quick. So I hope you will like this video. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every Monday at 6 p.m. because I'll be uploading a lot of travel vlogs and photography related videos on my channel. So make sure you plug your headphones and watch the display and watch the complete video and have a great day.
Hi, hello. So we came to some Balaji Woodside Hotel, and this is the size of idli. Tiny button idlis. Looks delicious. We'll try and see. Go ahead.
So I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family and whoever you like to share it. Also follow me on Instagram at Srinidhi Photography and bikerbyheart.bnz as well. And don't forget to check out my other videos by clicking this link over here, and stick around for a while in my channel. So I'll see you in the next week with another amazing video like this, and until then, take care, bye bye, have a great week.